Yes, guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So I want to make a swap and on the base network, and I'll be using Do Your Research, a recently launched project on the base network. So I'll be trading it on the Uniswap. So I'm going to be doing that quickly right now. So before you start, you have to connect your wallet. So Uniswap is a verified platform, so you don't need to be scared. So just click on Connect Wallet. So pick the wallet that is available on your PC or your mobile device. So I'm using Rabi wallet. So I want to connect Rabi wallet so I can trade. So just as you see, the popularity is high and you can see it's verified already. So click on connect. So now I am connected. Okay, so now I want to swap, and mind you, I'm swapping on the base network. Base network, that is what you have here. So it's on the base network. So now, if you see here, this is Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain. So you are actually trading on base. So let's go and change it to base. So we can see exactly it showed me what I have. So I have $3.12 on the base network, and I have $1.29 on the Ethereum network. But this is what I'm using, base network. So I'm actually selecting base network. So mind you, that means you also must have already have base ETH in your wallet. If you don't have that, you have to make purchase right from the centralized exchanges and send it out on the base network to your wallet. Do you get that? So that's a very easier way of you doing that, or you go through the bridge way. So let me continue. All right. So I'm actually swapping on the base network. So now, which token am I swapping with? So mind you, you have to be very much vigilant about the token you are swapping. So let me just show you what I mean. So if you click here now and you type in DYOR, what are you going to see? So you can see you have three different tokens that are showing you related names. Do you get that? But how do you know which one is what you are actually buying? So you want to go and buy what you shouldn't. Now let's go back to the post. So now just copy this contract address and take it directly there to paste. So paste it there directly, so it will definitely bring you the correct token. Can you see that? So now just select it. So always do your research. So continue. So how much of DYOR am I buying? So I'm buying just $2 of it. So I'm buying just $2. Okay. So all right. So that will get me 129 DYOR. So you can click on review. So if you're satisfied with what you can see here, so you click on swap. Click on swap. So then you confirm in your wallet. So you sign and you confirm the transaction in your wallet. So you can get to ignore this. So just ignore. So you can sign, confirm. Alright, transaction created. So that is successful. So I now have 129.76 DYOR in my wallet. So you get that. So if you click on the wallet here, you see that you now have $1.99 worth of do your own research. You get that. So and that's solves it out. So this other way in which you can actually make purchase of it is by buying directly from the wallet itself. So if I use Rabi wallet and I get to open that, so I can always swap my base ETH for DYOR. I can always swap it. So now let me look for my base ETH. So now you just click on swap and then okay, so you confirm. So select the token and then you can paste the contract address you've actually copied before and let it bring it out for you. So you have it here. So now you can now type in the amount that you want to actually purchase. So right now I don't have enough again to make purchase, but you can see you can either make use of the Uniswap or you actually swap through your wallet directly. So you get it. So alright guys, I believe I've been able to put you through how you can go about swapping on your base network and specifically on do your own research tokens that just been launched on the base network. Alright guys, kindly share this video, like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Bees. Bye for now.